back with another interesting topic for IGCSE. This time we have taken a topic which is very interesting, and it is self-pollination and cross-pollination. This is from the topic plant reproduction. All right. So there is a very common question that is asked in IGCSE that says about self-pollination. Okay, what is self-pollination? You must understand. In self-pollination, pollen grains are transferred. Pollen grains are transferred. So the transfer happens within same flower. That means the mother plant is same. Okay, so pollen grains are transferred. So here you can see this is a bisexual flower. This is a bisexual flower. That means male and female on the same flower. So male and female parts on the same flower. So this is the stamen which has the anther and the filament. And you can see pollen grains after the anther matures, it bursts and releases the pollen grains. And the pollen grains move or are transferred from the anther of a flower to the stigma. This is stigma. This is the female part, stigma. So stigma of the same flower. So you can see here, this is the part of a carpel. Carpel has stigma, style, and ovary. Okay. So transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a flower to the stigma of the same flower on the same plant is known as self-pollination. While self-pollination has advantages like, only one parent involved. There is only one parent involved. No external agency. No external agency involved. Okay, so it is quicker. There is less wastage. There is less wastage. And it's obviously, a sure shot method. So it has some advantages as well as some disadvantages. Disadvantages would be no variation. The same kind of characters, if undesirable, would be produced again and again. Okay, so this slide tells you about self-pollination. Now see, what is cross-pollination? Cross, on the other hand, involves two different flowers on two different plants. So here you can see that the pollen grains are transferred from the anther of a flower to the stigma of another flower on another plant. So this is cross-pollination. Here, the advantages would be since the plants are different, there is variation. And variation produces plants with better adaptability. That means desirable characters can be produced. So better adaptability. All right. But it has some disadvantages also. Disadvantages would be, dependency on external agency involved. So external agents are involved. It's an unsure method. And you can say that there's lots of wastage. The process is long also. It's long, tedious process, not a sure method. So cross-pollination has advantages as well as disadvantages. So this question is asked. In this slide, you can see very beautifully self-pollination or autogamy. You can see, I told you that self-pollination means that the mother plant is same or the flower is same. If this is a bisexual flower, self-pollination is taking place. Autogamy, that means self, pollinated by self. This is autogamy. Now here an insect, okay, is pollinating this plant. So this is cross-pollination. Now there is another form of self-pollination. So self-pollination has two forms. It could be autogamy or it could be gaetonogamy. Now, what is the difference between the two? Autogamy, that means self, pollinated by self. This is autogamy. Gaetonogamy, that means self, pollinated by self. This is gaetonogamy. Now, what is the difference between the two? Autogamy, So in autogamy, the mother plant is same, so it is self-pollination. But here it takes place on the same flower. That means the flower is bisexual and it is taking place. Now this also is self-pollination. That means geitonogamy is also self-pollination because mother plant is same, but the flowers are different. Okay, so this is also a form of self-pollination. Cross-pollination, on the other hand, is xenogamy, where the two different flowers are on two different plants. So I hope, we have cleared the concepts of self-pollination, cross-pollination, their advantages and disadvantages. Thank you so much for listening, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.